accept good. 4 whips, wax on, wax off.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie here, right? And well, first off, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like. Let me do something with this light over here. Do something with this light. I don't like the way it got me. I guess that's the best we're gonna do, right? But if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So here we are. Happy New Year's. We have hit the 10,000 subscriber mark, right? Now, if you've seen this before the New Year's, I knew we would get here before the New Year hit, right? Happy New Year. Now, if you've seen this after the New Year, I jumped a little ahead of myself and then filmed the video a little too early. But either way, still Happy New Year. I feel like we getting close, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the video for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway, right? I appreciate everybody that has subscribed to the channel or even just came across the videos, watched a few, stepped away, came back, right? I appreciate everybody who's watched it, from the good comments, the negative comments. We're getting more negative comments lately, but it's all good, baby. I appreciate everybody who's just dropped by the video, right? So we ain't gonna be here too long. I just want to tell y'all what's in the giveaway and how to enter the giveaway, right? And if you have done my giveaways before, you kind of know how to, well, if you've done the subscriber giveaway before, you kind of know how we are going to do this, right? But before we get into how to enter, let me show you what's in the giveaway, right? So this is pretty much a Babeless giveaway except for one item because I didn't have, anyway, we'll get there, right? So first we're gonna start off with the Babeless Essential Barber Kit. Come with a cape, a brush, a comb, some hair clips, you know, of course, the basics that people would need or want to have. So you got the cape, you got the brush, you got a comb, you got clips. People coming with their long hair, you need to clip the hair up, right? Boom, you got that, right? Boom, then we got a shaver. Now, this is the only thing that's not Babeless because I do like this shaver. This is the Ace 2.0, right? This is the second Ace shaver from Stylecraft. This is a pretty good one. I like this. It got the lock on and off the feature, you know, cuts with wet hair too. You know, if you want to do a wet shave or anything, especially if you're doing this at home on yourself, great shaver to have, right? Then boom, got a Babeless backpack. For all the traveling barbers, you wanna have something with enough compartments to hold everything. You got your blow dryer, your combs, your brushes, your clippers, your trimmers, you got everything, right? Different compartments in here. I mean, this is a great traveling bag from Babeless. And then so you got your shaver, you got your cape, you got your backpack, you got your your brushes and stuff. Boom. The Gold Low Pro set from Babeless Pro, right? Of course, if you use the clipper or the trimmer from Babeless, this has been one of the best, especially the trimmer. The trimmer has been a top-notch trimmer in my opinion. Of course, behind some other ones, you know what I mean, or with some other ones. You got the Gold FX, of course. You got the Saber. You got the new. Although a lot of people gave me flack for even liking the new and this trimmer, I like it. I do apologize. But either way, boom, you got the clipper, you got the trimmer, you got your shaver, you got your bag, and you got the Essential Barber Kit, right? So that is the main things in this giveaway, right? If I add something else, I'll let y'all know. But that is the main thing. When I do my giveaways, I do sometimes add extras, but I like to, especially at these milestone giveaways, I like to make sure that I'm having things in the giveaway that are necessities to be a barber, right? You need clippers, you need trimmers, you need a shaver. If you're traveling, you need a backpack, you need the cape, you need a brush, you need a comb, you need hair clips. So this is the giveaway for whether you're a beginning barber, you don't have anything, or you want to try new things, but you don't have the funds to even get it, or if you're a new barber and haven't tried these different clippers from Babeless or any other company that I do giveaways with, or somebody is texting like, but if you haven't tried these products yet, I like to have those in the giveaway for people to have the opportunity to use them, right? So now that you know what's in the giveaway, how do you enter the giveaway? If you've entered my giveaways for the subscriber, you know how it is, right? So this is a proof entry giveaway, right? Proof entry giveaway, right? So this is what I want you to do. Screenshot this right here where it says classmates, right? Classmates. Screenshot this part right here, classmates, right? And then what I want you to do is go to my Instagram DM, right? And then send me that screenshot and just with the caption, classmates. That's it. Classmates. If you do not have an Instagram, you can email me, getcutbyreggie with the same screenshot. I'll leave everything down below where you can click on the to go to my Instagram, and I'll put my email down below. But that's pretty much it. Screenshot, classmates, send me a picture, classmates, with the proof of your subscribing. So when you screenshot it, it'll have subscribed right up under there, right? Don't screenshot the full screen. Screenshot it where you can see the box of the video and where it says subscribe down at the bottom, so I know that you have subscribed to the channel. Even if you just subscribe to enter the giveaway or see what's in the giveaway or see if you can win the giveaway. I appreciate you subscribing even for a little bit, right? And the date that we are going to do this giveaway, let's see, because I really don't know when I'm dropping this video, but I'm guessing. If anything changed, then it's gonna be changed on the screen, right? But so when we're gonna do the giveaway, we're gonna do the giveaway live January 16th on YouTube. Live January 16th on YouTube, 3 o'clock Eastern time, right? Live YouTube, 3 o'clock Eastern time. Please be in the live if you can. And no, for those who's gonna say they should be in the live, I'm not making people be in the live to win this, right? I've done that before, but not this one, because people got different schedules, people on different time frames and stuff. So for this giveaway, no, you do not have to be in the live, right? But I will, after I post this video or post the winning video, you will have a certain amount of time, if you're not in the live, to comment or to get at me with, but we'll get to that point once you win, right? If you win. But this is the 10K subscriber giveaway. You got the clippers, trimmers, shavers, cape, brush, comb, backpack. Again, I appreciate everybody who subscribed. And if this is before the new year, Happy New Year. If it's after the new year, still Happy New Year. But I recorded this video a little bit sooner than I should have. But we still here. Either way, we are here at the 10K subscribers, right? Appreciate you. And if you're not subscribed and want to know about these giveaways, I do more giveaways on Instagram, so you can follow me on Instagram. But if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos, and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is the video to tell you to enter the giveaway. You know what? While we're here, I'm gonna have a second giveaway. I'll let you know about that one here in a little bit. Peace.